So hey guys, you must have definitely read the title of the video, and you must have definitely understood this video is going to about regarding the street dogs, regarding the stray dogs. And today in this video, in this vlog, we are going to explain you regarding the stray dogs mang infection, how we can treat that. Mang infection is nothing but a skin infection which we call, and how we can treat it by our own. I'll give you A to Z complete details regarding that. So without wasting time, let's get started, and please request you to watch the complete video without skipping so that you get the complete info. Thank you. Guys, welcome back to the channel VOV Hyderabad, and this is Gianni, and today in this vlog we are going to discuss about the man infection medication part of the stray dogs. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So guys, as you know, this is COVID time going on, and the coronavirus is on peak, and that is the reason I'm wearing my mask, and my mask is on. So here no one is around me except my cameraman, so I'll just get rid of this part and just quickly explain you regarding the medication part. So this is my small medical kit in which I usually carry all the medicines for the street dogs. So I'll just explain you which first I'll explain you step by step which all medicines you need to have handy, so that you can understand, you can make a note of it, and then I'll tell you how to use it, what is the quantity you need to use, how many days should be, for how long you need to use it. All right, so let's get started. In this process you need to have 4 medicines handy. So this is the first one, that is this medicine is called Slayworm. This is a deworming tablet for dogs. So as you know, many stray dogs will not be, like most of them, 80% stray dogs will be not be dewormed, they won't be vaccinated. So in that case, most of the time what happens is, due to worms in the stomach, this thing occurs, usually the scabies infection. So to how to treat the scabies infection, or we can call it a mang infection, or in easy simple language we call it a skin infection for stray dogs. Okay, so first medicine you need to have is Slayworm. This is a deworming tablet. You can use any kind of deworming tablet. Okay, first you need to, on day 1 you need to use the deworming tablet. Okay, you can definitely use it with the food. Okay, so after that, on day 2 you need to jump to Neomac tablet. Okay, so yeah, this is the Neomac tablet box, and this is how it looks, and this will cost you around 110 bucks. And I'll tell you, like this is, let me explain this part. So you will have a 10 medicine strip in this, and you just need to use max to max 3 to 4 medicines, that's it. So you need not use all of them, and I'll tell you how to use it. Okay, but guys, this medicine is very much effective, so you need to just make sure you give the right quantity dose, or else it might affect the dog in a very bad way. Okay, so what are the side effects, I'll also tell you that. So before that, let me tell you about this is the Kiskin lotion. Okay, so the medicines which I showed you earlier, these will work internally, and the Kiskin lotion, this will work on external part on the skin. Okay, so this is a Kiskin lotion, and it will cost you around 75 bucks. So it will be easily available, these all medicines will be easily available with your vets, or else any kind of vet stores, you can easily get it. Okay, so apart from that, one more medicine is there. So let me just quickly show you that. Yeah, here it is. This is very small medicine. Here we call it Avil. Okay, this is a 25 mg Avil tablet. Even this is very easily available in vet stores. So what will be Avil used for, that also I'll tell you. So now I'll explain you step by step how to use medicines, and like when all you need to use them. All right, so keep watching. This video might last a little bit long, but don't skip. For complete information, do watch the complete video. So guys, as I told you, you need to have 4 medicines handy. Okay, so let me again tell you, this is Slayworm, this is a deworming tablet, this Neomac tablet 10 mg, and this Avil 25 mg tablet, and this is Kiskin lotion. So these are the 4 things you need to have handy. So let's get started now. I'll tell you which how to use them. Okay, the quantity and all. So first you will give the deworming tablet on day 1. Okay, from day 2 you can start giving the Neomac tablet. Okay, Neomac tablet is easily available anywhere in the any kind of vet stores or else, And starting with the Neomac tablet, so you can use, let me tell you, so whom for which kind of dogs you can use the Neomac tablet. Okay, so this medicine is completely not recommended for the puppies below 6 months. Okay, and adult dogs above 10 years of age. Okay, for them it is not completely recommended. And apart from that, pregnant dogs and lactating mothers, for them also you need to avoid this. It is not recommended for them too. Okay, you need to make a note of this particular thing, because this will affect the liver if you use the overdosage. Okay, overdosage might lead to liver damage, so it might kill the dog. So just make sure of that thing. And now, Neomac tablet, you need to just use one tablet for one complete whole week. Okay, that will be more than enough. Okay, so one tablet for one whole week, that will work. So basically, if it is in the starting stage, now I'll show you a few pictures of the Mang infection dogs. Okay, on the right side of the screen you will be able to see some pictures right now. So the brown color one which you saw, that is a complete body that is in the severe condition. Okay, not that kind of bad condition, it can easily recover, but it is more it is beyond the starting stage. Okay, now the black dog which you are seeing, it is my own community dog, and I treated it, and it took me around almost 1 month to show the result. So basically, let me also tell you this, these medicines will not show the result from day one itself. It will take some time, and but definitely this will work for sure. 100% it will work, and you will get the proper result regarding this. Guys, if you are using Neomac, if it is in the starting stage, okay, so starting stage will you will be able to figure out that it has some sort of skin infection. So in the starting stage, you need to use Neomac tablet, and for 1 week, like suppose today you're giving the deworming tablet, tomorrow you can go ahead with the Neomac tablet, or day after tomorrow you can go ahead with it. So Neomac tablet, only one tablet per 1 week. Okay, one complete week, that's enough. And you should not give the overdosage. As I told you, overdoses might lead to liver damage of the dog, so that is very much risky. So yeah, apart from that, so for first week one Neomac tablet, for second week one Neomac tablet, and for third week one Neomac tablet. If the dog is having severe kind of Mang infection, and it needs complete media, it will take a lot of time to heal, then you can go ahead for 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks of medication, and instead of using 3 tablets, you can go ahead with 4 tablets for 4 weeks. Okay, remember, just one single tablet for one whole week, that should be enough. And apart from that, every alternate day you can use this. You can use it, the skin lotion, you can use it regularly also, but I will recommend you to use it every alternate day on the wound, as these medicines will work internally, this will work on the external part of the skin, and this will be useful to heal that part. And you can, every alternate day, you can apply this skin lotion. All right, and apart from that, and guys, if the dog is friendly, then only you can use this, or else it is a bit hard to use on the dog. And apart from this, Evil 25 mg tablet. Okay, even this is very easily available in any kind of vet stores. So Evil, for which purpose the Evil works, I'll tell you that. Okay, so when the dog will have the Mang infection, okay, the skin infection, so it will constantly scratch that particular body part where it is infected. Okay, so you can see the red rashes over there. Yeah, so you can see the red rashes over there. For that red rashes, this medicine will work. Okay, it will just reduce the itching part of the dog on the body. So for that, Evil is used. Evil 25 mg, remember that. Okay, so Evil 25 mg skin lotion, Slayworm deworming tablet, deworming tablet, you can use any one of it, and Neomac 10 mg tablet. Okay, so these are the medications you need to use. And again, I'm repeating for the last time that Neomac tablet, it is not recommended for the puppies below 6 months, for the adult dogs about 10 years, and for pregnant dogs and lactating mothers, it is completely not recommended. So avoid using for those dogs. Okay, apart from that, it is completely safe for the rest of the dogs. Okay, so this is the medication part, and with this medication part, on from day one itself, you won't be able to see the result, but definitely you will witness the result soon, slowly. Okay, slowly, steadily, definitely it will work. 100% medication it is. I would like to thank one of my friend. Her name is Fareen. She's from basically from Pune, Maharashtra, and she is my well-felt friend, and thanks to her for sharing all her knowledge regarding this medication part regarding man infection dogs. So thanks to her once again. And as I told you, like these medicines which you are seeing now, Kiskin lotion, as I told you earlier, you will be able to use this Kiskin lotion on the external part of the dog's body if the dog is friendly with you. If it is not friendly, then you have to just use these medicines which you can directly give it with the food and which will work internal part. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And one more thing, guys, you need not panic anytime. Like if you're a dog feeder, if you're an animal lover, and you must have definitely come across many cases where the dogs will have skin infection and all. Take it at that moment, you need not panic if you know what all medications you need to give. And in that case, like for those people, this video gonna help a lot. This will be very informative for them, so I request you to share this video further within your circle, within your friends. And yeah, so that's it for today. And one more important thing I forgot to mention, like if in case if you are using Kiskin lotion, and in many cases what happened is the person says like we are not able to find Kiskin lotion in our nearby stores, then what will be the solution for this? Then the solution would be the neem oil. All right, so neem oil is available easily anywhere, any part of the city. So what you can do is you can use neem oil rather than Kiskin lotion. If in case you don't find the Kiskin lotion leads, okay, then you can also use it as an alternative option. Okay, so that's it. And if you do like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the further notifications regarding our further uploads. And if you like our cause, like if you like to support our cause, if you like the work we do, then do subscribe to our channel to show your support. Thanks a lot for watching this, guys. Bye bye.